Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this delicious and creamy custard like a profi. You can make pap if you have pap. I didn't have pap on this day, so I'm using custard. It's very easy and there's no trick in doing this. Just keep on watching to see how I achieve this with ease. Yes, with ease. So in this bowl, I did add some spoons of custard. You can use any bowl of your choice. You can use a plastic bowl, you can use steel bowl like I'm doing. It doesn't matter. And I've added my sugar already. I like adding the sugar before making it. You can as well add your sugar after making it. So as you can see, I did add water. I didn't add too much of water, so it's not too runny. That's where the trick is. You don't make your mixture too runny. You make it still a bit thick, but not too thick. Yes. So now I'm just going to be stirring and stirring till I get out all the lumps. As you can see, it's not too running. And as I'm doing this, my water is already on the fire. It's boiling because we need boiling water, like really boiling water. Yes. So now I'm just going to be adding the boiling water. So watch, I'm going to be doing this right now. So now we are going to be pouring in our boiling water. Like I said before, the water should be really, really hot. So now you are going to be pouring it. As you can see, it starts to thicken. So at this stage, you want to stop pouring in water because when you pour more water, your pap or custard starts to get runny, and that's not what you want. We want this thick and creamy consistency. Like you can see, it was very easy to make. There was no trick about doing this. So at this stage, you want to really keep on stirring and stirring. That way it cooks all round together and you don't get lumps. As you can see, I have a very creamy and smooth consistency. So now I'm going to be adding my milk. You do not want to use liquid milk because when you use liquid milk, then your pap gets runny. So I'm just going to be using powdered milk. Yes, and that is it. It was very easy to make. You would agree with me. Anyone can make this. There's no trick in making this. I hope you are going to be trying this out. Let me know how you make your pap in the comment section. I would really like to know how you make yours. So thank you guys for watching. Please like my video. It helps me to grow, and do share my video. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and put on the notification bell on. My name is Julia, and thank you for watching. I really do appreciate you all, and I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Look at this creaminess, and it was yummy. Thank you and bye bye.